In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Auto Connect in NordVPN. If you've noticed your VPN turning itself on every time you join a network, that's the Auto Connect feature doing its job. It's great for always-on protection, but there are times you may want full control, like when you're accessing printers or smart devices on your local network, signing in to a hotel or airport Wi-Fi portal, or saving battery on mobile. I'll walk you through exactly how to disable it, and I'll point out a few things to keep in mind so you can decide what works best for you. Start by opening the NordVPN app on your device. This can be on Windows, macOS, Android, or iOS. The setting lives in roughly the same place across platforms. If you have a lot of apps, using your device's search to find NordVPN is the quickest way. Make sure the app has a moment to fully load so the menus appear correctly. Next, look for the gear icon, which opens the settings menu. You'll typically find this gear in the top corner of the app. Tap or click it to enter settings. If your app looks slightly different, don't worry. NordVPN occasionally updates the interface, but the gear icon remains the standard shortcut into settings. Inside settings, navigate to the section labeled Connection and Security. This is where NordVPN groups controls that affect how and when your device connects. Within this section, find Auto Connect. Open Auto Connect, and you'll see options that determine whether the app automatically establishes a VPN connection. Change this setting to Never. That's it. Auto Connect is now disabled. From this point on, NordVPN won't connect automatically when you start your device, launch the app, or switch networks. Remember, this also means you'll need to connect manually whenever you want VPN protection. If you prefer a middle ground later, you can return to the same place and choose a more selective option, like auto-connecting only on unsecured or unknown networks, depending on what your version of the app offers. A quick note on safety and convenience. Turning off Auto Connect gives you more control, but it also increases the chance of accidentally browsing without encryption. To stay protected, make it a habit to connect before you do anything sensitive, like online banking or working on public Wi-Fi. If you notice any unexpected behavior after this change, such as the app still connecting automatically, double-check that the setting is saved to Never and that the app is up to date. Thanks for watching. You now know how to turn off Auto Connect in NordVPN while staying intentional about when you secure your connection.